Aphids! They're the bane of my existence, and they're the most prevalent pest we have here at the nursery. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about an exciting plant I've been growing to attract pest predators who love eating aphids. Let's get to it. Now, if you have aphids in your garden, one reason why might be ecosystem imbalance. But don't feel bad. The perfect ecosystem does not exist. There's always checks and balances. Now, this is a flower from Korean perennial celery. And these insects you can see flitting about, being very active on this plant, are red soldier beetles. These are such awesome insects and a welcome companion to my garden. Red soldier beetles prey on aphids in their adult form, and they're known to prey on slug eggs in their larval form. This is actually one of the first years I've seen them in this quantity in the garden, and I'm very excited. I planted a lot more perennial Korean celery this year, and this is the result. They come from somewhere, and here they are. Now, I'd like to offer you a reality check here. These red soldier beetles are not the be-all end-all solution to my aphid problem. Depending on the severity of your issue, you're still going to need to employ some manual controls. Controlling your aphids by getting rid of every single aphid on your garden is not the answer, because what's going to happen with these red soldier beetles, they need to have food. If there's no food source around the aphids, then you're not going to get red soldier beetles or other types of pest predators. So think about that the next time you're spraying down your plants with soapy water to control the aphids. There's got to be aphids around for the pest predators to eat. There needs to be prey for the pest predators. Ooh, good boy, Scott. Korean perennial celery is in the Apiaceae family, also known as the carrot family. And it's well known that many plants in the carrot family are great for attracting pest predators, beneficial insects, pollinators. And as you can see here, this particular Korean perennial celery is just absolutely loaded with blooms. And there's all sorts of pollinators flitting about and doing this thing here. The two plants you might consider growing along with Korean perennial celery, also in the carrot family, Apiaceae family, are lovage and yarrow. Both bloom around the same time as the Korean perennial celery. The blooms last quite a while, weeks. And so during that time, the beneficial insects, those pest predators, are coming. They're reproducing, they're laying their eggs and correcting that imbalance in your ecosystem.
If you like this, we got more for you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications to avoid missing out on our weekly videos.